I'm going to start off with talking about chatbots and how we can utilize the chatbots for natural language for corporate policies, like the ability to ask questions about corporate policies, as well as improved help desk so that you can submit inquiries or submit tickets. So let's get started. The first step we need to think about or we need to understand is what are the types of bots. So bots are generally categorized and have been categorized into three types: virtual personal assistants, virtual customer assistants, and virtual employee assistants. Virtual personal assistants are things like Siri or Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant that generally are very generic in what they do. Virtual customer assistants or VCAs and virtual employee assistants VEAs are more specific and usually trained with a specific model that is trained based on the data that the organization has, either for customers or for employees. Complexity of these models becomes really high if you need to train them from scratch. And this is where OpenAI and Chat GPT come into play, where you can get a general sense of understanding, but equip the OpenAI platform or Chat GPT platform with information about your organization. And that's what we're going to talk about here. So first, let's look at the stages of bot maturity. It starts off with informational bots. So these are bots that understand natural language to provide answers to questions. So think of it as Q&A. Personalized bots are the second level, which present users with specific responses by connecting to enterprise systems. So think of it like asking a question like, what's my vacation balance? And finally, transactional bots, which are probably the most complex, and they emulate a human conversation to collect information and be able to submit a request on your behalf. So we're going to look at how we can utilize OpenAI and AI technology to do each and every one of these throughout this series. So let's start with what technologies will be used for each one. So first, informational bots will use semantic text search using embeddings. I'm going to explain that further in my next video. Personalized uses intent identification and content retrieval from external systems. And then transactional uses intent identification and form flow to collect data from a user and keep that conversation going. So in the next video, we're going to focus on informational bots, then we're going to focus on personalized and then transactional and how we can do each of these. Thanks for watching.